2 on Channel 3.
If you are a high school senior or the parent of a high school senior right now, no doubt your thoughts are turning to what you're going to do after graduation day in May. Hopefully you'll have plans to head off to college, and chances are you're looking to get some scholarship money to help you along the way. So happy for us to have a chance to talk this morning with Kennamer of the McMahan Law Firm. He's talking about a way that they can possibly help you, their Go to Bat scholarship. Good to see you this morning.
Good morning.
You said it's a natural play on words for you. Here your commercials are with you and Brent holding your baseball bat, so it was a fitting name for the scholarship.
Yeah, we wanted to establish one that we're passionate about things that help out the community around here in Chattanooga. We do civic projects here and there. We do cleanups here and there. We try to have an effect just about anywhere we have our reach, that we serve people in this area. And we wanted to also start up a scholarship. And it started up the first year. It's the Go to Bat scholarship. It's easy to apply. We have it right on our website. If you go to our McMahan Law Firm website and go over to contact, there'll be a drop down that shows scholarship submission. And it is for any student that is going to a 2 to 4 year college in Tennessee. And
they have until April 30th, right, to get the application in?
That's right. Plenty of time. And it doesn't have to be about law. It doesn't have to be about any particular topic. It's about what actually is, it would be 500 to 700 words submission about what someone is passionate about, what they would go to bat to do. That's really, the easiest thing to write about. And we wanted to, have people, get their blood boiling about what they're really passionate about. We want to see what, it's not only a submission to win a scholarship, but it also gives us the direction of, what the moods and what the wants and needs of the community are.
There you go. That's a great way to look at it. And I like the idea about what are you passionate about moving forward, because you graduate high school, that's the excitement of it, right? The whole world's at your fingertips. And so what do you want to do with your life? Not what have you done, but what are you hoping to do?
We can do just a small amount for a young person as a springboard, a small contribution, and it helps. That means the world to us.
Talk to me a little bit, while I've got your ear, about your practice right now. I would imagine that with COVID, you've seen a little bit of a change in the law practice, right? With the courts having to make some alterations with their schedules?
Yeah. We are, we are a trial practice, and we do that because, that's the only way to keep the insurance companies honest these days. And everybody's seen the commercials where they're, have the warm heart and they're giving back a little bit of their premiums to people as a refund or rebate. But I will tell you, their adjusting practices have gone really evil. So right now we are tuning up for the courts reopening, and you have to. Otherwise, these insurance companies will just ignore you during the period of COVID. So we actually are trying to get every one of ours ready for, as soon as the starting blocks open up, to go ahead and start trying a lot of cases, because you have to. These days, the insurance companies' adjusting practices are set up that they will not even make a fair offer unless you filed suit. That means you have to file suit to even get anywhere near a decent offer to try to settle the claim. That means you have to be prepared to try a case. So we're setting doctors' depositions. We're doing everything right now to get our proof together, so our clients are ready to go to trial just as soon as the Tennessee Supreme Court and those in the North Georgia and also in North Alabama. I'm licensed in all 3 states. Just as soon as they say it's a go, and we're ready to.
So I've only got a couple of minutes, but I do want to ask you something with a minute or two that we do have left. Let's say that somebody is out, Jay, and they have a car accident, heaven forbid, or something happens to them where they would normally be contacting the insurance company. I would think, as just a private citizen, that it's my civic duty to call my insurance company right away. Is that the right thing to do?
You always want to put your own insurance company on notice.
Okay.
A lot of times the other side, the offending party, won't put their insurance company on notice. So we've got to get involved early to track them down to make them do it. Otherwise, they might risk losing coverage for your damages. So yes, it is very important to put parties on notice right away, and not just that, but also to protect evidence, to preserve evidence. Things go away quickly, so we like to get involved from the beginning. There's so many times that I get asked to come in on the back end of a case to try to put all the pieces together like they should have been put together. It's so much easier to get started from the beginning.
Well, let me give people the contact information so that they can reach out to you and Brent, whether it is for a personal need with a personal injury case or for the scholarship fund for you or your senior in high school. The website for either need is McMahanLawFirm.com. Their phone number 265-1100. They're right over here now on Cherokee Boulevard, not far from Channel 3, a beautiful new building with lots of windows that you see behind Jay this morning. The Go to Bat Scholarship Fund applications going on through April 30th. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you.
We're back after this.
You love where you live and know you're not ready for a move. Mobility at Home can build your dream bathroom with a walk-in tub or a barrier-free shower to